Damn.
Hello, welcome to my first vlog. Yeah, today I go to forest train. In that place, there is 100 trees that was planting by people in Bekasi. Very fun, like there. In that area there is a skatepark track. In that skatepark track you can run or jogging, or you can bring your rollerblade and play on there is many function here, like there is a playground, there is a skate park, there is a basketball field, and beside the street, look, and there is a pool with historical field of Bekasi.
Control away the pieces that you gave, betrayed in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's just gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind, my thoughts that you taken, stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go tonight, but I already tried.
Oh yeah, in that area there are only one and only one gazebo, the most big gazebo in that area, with a cool park.
Heard all the rumors, you found another one. It's easy to leave me when I loved you the most, baby.
Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if my English isn't good, because I'm still learning in English. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye, see you next time.
Go back, I'm here baby waiting for ya. Stop holding on, baby, I just don't wanna lose ya. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the insanity. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the infinity. There will be no time for us to fight the destiny. I will never change my mind to live a fantasy. There will be a time for us to find a clarity. This world is crazy, but we love the insanity.
Look, the kids that we killed, that we called Bopung, swim in the green pool right here. Oh man,